Hello everyone, my name is Abdul Majid Awan and welcome to the Smashy Business Show Weekend Edition. Today's top stories are UAE technology company Alpha Data is set to raise up to $163.4 million through its IPO on the Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange, ADX. With a share price range of 1.45 to 1.50 dirhams, the company will float 400 million shares representing 40% of its total issued capital. The listing will give Alpha Data a valuation of up to 1.5 billion dirhams. The subscription period started on February 20th and will close on February 25th, with the final price announcement on February 26th. Alpha Data expects to distribute a DH 130 million dividend in 2025. The IPO has generated strong investor interest, highlighting the growing demand for technology investments in the UAE. As a digital transformation leader, Alpha Data is well positioned for growth, with operations expanding into Saudi Arabia and Qatar, strengthening its regional footprint. The highly anticipated Web Summit Qatar 2025 is set to take place from February 23rd to 26th at the Doha Exhibition and Convention Center. This year's event will welcome over 15,000 attendees from 180 countries, including 1,000 startups and 400 investors. Major speakers include Alexis Ohanian, co-founder of Reddit, Eduardo Saverin, co-founder of Facebook, and Alexander Wang, CEO of Scale AI. Web Summit Qatar will explore artificial intelligence, fintech, cybersecurity, and digital transformation, positioning the event as a crucial platform for innovation. With Qatar aiming to become a global technology hub, the conference will foster networking and investment opportunities. This edition sees increased participation from global startups, reinforcing the region's growing influence in the tech sector. UAE-based classifieds platform Dubizzle has expanded its automotive footprint by acquiring Egyptian car marketplace Hatla2ee. The deal strengthens Dubizzle's position in Egypt, a market of over 114 million people. Hatla2ee, which facilitates new and used car sales, attracts over 2 million monthly visitors. This marks Dubizzle's second major automotive acquisition in less than a year following its purchase of Drive Arabia. The acquisition aligns with Dubizzle's regional growth strategy, and reports suggest the company is gearing up for a 2025 IPO targeting between $500 million and $1 billion. Financial heavyweights such as Emirates, NBD, Goldman Sachs, HSBC, and Morgan Stanley are reportedly involved in the listing process. Dubizzle's aggressive expansion highlights the UAE's evolving digital economy and its thriving startup ecosystem. Former U.S. President Donald Trump's decision to halt USAID funding has disrupted humanitarian aid and economic stability in the Middle East. In Syria, the Hawl refugee camp, home to nearly 40,000 people, faces service shortages, increasing the risk of disease outbreaks, riots, and potential escapes by ISIS affiliates. Jordan, a key U.S. ally, receives $1.2 billion in USAID funding annually, accounting for over 2% of its GDP. The suspension could heighten economic instability in an already fragile region. Meanwhile, Trump and his allies claim USAID funded major media organizations, a charge denied by news outlets such as Reuters, AP, and the New York Times. Dubai-based media startup Monify is rumored to have suffered layoffs due to the funding cuts, though official records show no financial ties to USAID. The situation raises concerns about how regional governments will navigate the humanitarian and economic impact of these changes. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe to our newsletter from the link below and follow us on all social media platforms.